Let's look at the next law of exponents. Here we have x to the power of m whole to the power of n. Here the base is x, and for the base x we have the exponent m. Then for the whole thing x to the power of m we have the exponent n. So whenever we have two exponents like this, that is m is exponent for the base x but n is exponent for the whole thing x to the power of m. So whenever we have two exponents like this, what we need to do is we have to multiply the two exponents m and n. So x to the power of m whole to the power of n is equal to x to the power of m times n. Okay, let's look at another example. X to the power of 3 whole to the power of 2. Here for the base x we have the first exponent 3, and for the whole thing we have the exponent 2. So what we need to do is, according to the law, we have to multiply these two exponents, then we get x to the power of 6. Okay, y to the power of minus 2, x to the power of 3. Here the base is y, we have the exponent negative 2, and for the whole thing we have the exponent 3. So we need to multiply these two exponents. So minus 2 times 3 will become minus 6, because this 3 should be assumed as plus 3. So because there is no sign in front of 3, so we have to assume there is plus 3. So when we multiply plus 3 and minus 2, we have to multiply the sign minus and plus. So minus times plus will become minus, 2 times 3 will become 6. So y to the power of minus 2 whole to the power of 3 is equal to y to the power of minus 6.